Hi viewers, today we will discuss how to calculate working days, simple days and then working days without weekends or working days without weekends and without other holidays. For example, if there are some other holidays also. So how you can calculate easily with formula total days, working days without weekends and working days without weekends and holidays. So let's see. First of all, the days calculation is simple. You just press is equal to and then start date minus end date. So that gives you 22 days. But remember that it doesn't count the start date, but it counts the end date. For example, from 1st January to 23rd January, there are 22 days. Why? Because it doesn't count the start date. Now, if you want that the start date should be counted, so then you have to do one trick, and that is close this formula in small bracket and then just add plus 1. So it would be calculating both the start date and end date. But if you don't want to calculate the start date, then you can do it like this. So now how we can calculate working days without weekends? For this, we have two types of formulas, the old version and the new version. The formula is net work days. Now you see here there are two formulas, network days and network days international version. The network days is the older version. If you want to use it, so you can use it, but the problem here is, for example, it asks you the start date, then comma end date, and for holidays it generally assume that Saturday and Sundays are the holidays, so it would calculate Saturday and Sunday as holidays, and you just don't need to select the holidays, etc., but you just need to enter. So it says 15 days. Why? Because if you see the calendar, let me show you the calendar here. So the January calendar here, you see we are calculating it from 1st to 23. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 working days are holidays, Saturday and Sunday. So that's why it's calculating is 15. Now there are countries where the weekend is not Saturday and Sunday by default. So for that, then we can use another formula, which is the international version, and that is network days dot intl. So here now you see you have to select the start date, then comma end date, then comma weekend. For weekend now you have all these options. You see all these options now you have. If your weekend is Saturday, Sunday, so select one. If it's Sunday and Monday, so select 2, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and all these options. If it's only Sunday, so select 11. You see these digits, you have to select these digits. If it's only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If there are 2 days, so you can select from the 1 to 7. And if it's only one day, so you can select from 11, 12, 13, whichever day is the holiday in the week. So in this formula you have all these options, and this formula is available in all Excel versions. So for example, if mine is Saturday Sunday only, so I will select the one. If in some country there is Friday and Saturday, so they would select 7. So in this way you can do this. Then after comma it asks you about holidays also. If there are some holidays, so you can add those holidays also, but here I just need the weekends, so I will so this is enough for me for the time being. And now you see it's giving me the working days without weekends. Now, if I want that I should calculate the working days and also the holidays. Now, for example, in January, we have 1st January and 5th January. So what I will do, I will do this like this. Net work days dot intl small bracket start date, end date, then what is my holidays in the week. What is my weekend? Now, what is my weekend type? So select the weekend type from here. For example, mine is Saturday, Sunday. So I will select this. So one, then after comma, you have to insert those holidays in a cell somewhere and just range them. You just need to range them and press F4 to lock this, because you will have to go down the rows so that this range is locked there. Now after this, bracket close, enter. Now it says 14 days, 10 days and 2 days. Why 14? Because between these 2 days there is 1st January and 5th January were also holidays, but I think this 5th January, the 1st January is already a Saturday also, so that's why. Otherwise if working days are 15 and when we exclude these 2 days also, so it should give me 13 days, but it's giving me 14 because this 1st January is both Saturday and a holiday. So that's why it's not calculating it. For example, if this 1st January, if I change this 1st January with 6th January, that 5th and 6th January were the holidays. So now you see it's 13. So in this way, you can calculate days, working days without weekends and working days without weekends and holidays. Now, how can we calculate random working days? For example, if I am working in a company, or if you are a company and there are employees whose holidays are not like the routine holidays. Some employees holidays are Friday, and then for example, some employees are working only Monday and then Friday and then Saturday. Or if so, now if you have to calculate random working days between 2 days, these are random. These you can't do with weekends or with other holidays, etc. For example, if someone is working only 3 days a week and those days are also different, so how you can calculate random working days? This is a very nice trick. So random working days. Now random working days, for example, let's see the whole week. Remember that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Sunday, it will always start from Monday. Now for example, if someone only works on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, so how you are going to calculate? Now remember, 1 will be equal to holiday and 0 will be equal to working days, and start from Monday. Now he works only Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, so these will be 0, 0, 0. Remember that 1 represent holiday and 0 represent working days. Now for this, the trick is Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Remember this, and we will start from Monday. Now I am using the same network days dot intl small bracket start date end date. Now here I am not using the weekend etc formula. I will use the quotation marks, the inverted commas. Start. Now there are 7 days in a week and I would be using 1 and 0 only. 1 represent the holiday and 0 represent working days. Now on Monday he is holiday, he is on holiday, so 1, or she is on holiday, so 1. Then Tuesday 0, Wednesday 1, Thursday 0, Friday 1, Saturday 0 and Sunday also 0. These are 101010. Now he is on only Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, Saturday he works, while on Sunday also he or she is on holiday. So 10101001. Now 1 is holiday and 0 is working days, and that's it. So now you see it shows me 10 working days. Why? Because he only works Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 3 days a week. And let's see in the calendar now. Let me show you the calendar. So here if you see the calendar, from 1st January to 23 January we are working, and he is working only Saturday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are only 10 working days for him. So this formula you can use, and it's very easy. How I did it, the net working days dot intl formula, start date, end date, and then in the quotation mark I used 1 for holiday and 0 for working days, and I just added the whole week, the 7 digits for every day. I used 1 or 0, and this way you can calculate the random working days. If those are very few employees, so you can do that manually, but if the number is huge, so you can just do it like this. And if you want that these holidays should also be included here, so then the same formula, just after this you add comma, and then for holidays just range those holidays date, that if these holidays comes between the working days of this person, so those should also be excluded. So you just range that and press F4 to lock that, and here you are. Now you see it's 9 days now. Why? Because here is a date, 6th January and 5th January, and on Wednesday he is working, and that was holiday, so that is being excluded from his working random working days also. And it's not just that, you can use this formula, between the inverted commas, the quotation marks, and the 1010. You can use this for different types of calculating days in a week or in a month or between 2 days. So it all depends on your creativity, how you can manage, how you can manipulate different formulas, etc.